Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to build Circle Minecraft step by step. Start by picking a clear center and a radius, then mark that center block. Lay an initial small ring and expand outward using a simple quadrant method. Count blocks from the center horizontally and vertically, then connect points smoothly to form the curve. Keep symmetry, adjust for terrain, and test visually as you place each ring for a cleaner shape. Select easy tools like scaffolding, temporary blocks, and a consistent building block to keep the process tidy. Work in quadrants so you only need to plan 1/4 of the circle and mirror it. If you want larger circles, build a paper or on-screen template to follow, or use simple math to plot points. Always step back and view from distance to smooth any jagged sections and maintain a natural curve. If this guide is useful, please like and subscribe to support the channel and see more Minecraft building tips. Quick recommendation. For a fun brain break and great money advice, I loved The Simple Path to Wealth. It changed how I think about saving and goals. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab it if you want. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Decide on circle size based on the project. Small for decorations, medium for structures, large for ambitious builds. For each size, use a point plotting method. Mark cardinal and diagonal points, then connect them using consistent block counts. When scaling up, keep the same quadrant logic and increase counts proportionally. Lighting and texture changes help emphasize the curve and make your circle look intentional from any angle in the world.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.